Yeah, right, Morton.
Hi, Matt Joey here for the Sneeze Glove, the antimicrobial minute germ-blocking apparatus. It will not only stop the spread of disease, but it's fashionable too. Tired of sneezing on your friends? Nobody like you because you constantly get them sick? Have you been called Typhoid Mary? Well then we have the product for you. Stop! You no longer need to be that guy. Now you can stop a cold in its tracks.
Wait a minute. I thought sneezes traveled over speeds of 100 miles an hour.
You are correct, and that's why this glove is made of high-quality materials. The sponge is made of the latest space age technology. The glove is a high-quality golf glove with elastic and Velcro. That's right, both. The last final thing that's worth noting is the advanced technology that is used to fasten both of these together. That's not Scotch tape, that's super strong electrical tape.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
That's because it is. This high-quality product is perfect for in the office, in class, or at home, even in the car.
With all these great features, this thing must cost hundreds.
Well, it won't cost you $100, won't cost you $50, it won't even cost you $20.
Well, then how much is it?
Well, Joe, you only pay 2 easy payments of $4.995.
Oh, that's only this many, right?
Well, that's close, but you'll pay even less, $9.99.
That sounds like a fantastic deal.
That's because it is. Look, you don't need a sneeze glove to stop the spread of disease. Follow these few simple tips, and you can be your own sneeze glove. As many of you know, diseases such as the common cold and flu, as well as many others, are spread through bacteria and viruses. These small microbes can become airborne through sneezing and coughing. That's why to stop them from becoming airborne, it's important to sneeze and cough both into your elbow, rather than the open air, or even your shoulder. This is because the elbow can contain all of the pathogen. Now doing this will stop you from spreading your disease to others, but how can you protect yourself from disease? Follow these 3 simple tips, and you'll be able to protect yourself this coming flu season. The first is proper hand washing technique. Use soap and rub your hands together for at least 30 seconds, and rinse under warm to hot water. The next is just dressing warm. If it's cold outside, make sure you wear your coat. And the third and final one is eating healthy. Make sure you get all your vitamins this coming flu season. That way your body will be able to defend itself. Follow all of these, and you'll be the perfect sneeze glove. Order now, and you won't just get the sneeze glove, but we'll include the cloth glove too.
Don't miss out. Order now.
Because remember, sharing is caring, but keep your germs to yourself.